Hi, Subrat here again. And I have one more thing to share with you about the workshop, which is approaching very soon. You are going to learn a lot about it because knowledge is power. So, what you don't know can hurt you literally. So, I'm going to treat somebody, and you are going to see how a natural treatment looks like without medication, injection, and surgery. You are going to hear other stories of people who are back to normal again. They can play with their grandchildren, go fishing, go to work, and do everything they want to do without pain. In the workshop, I'm going to share the three common causes of shoulder pain. This causes about 90% of the pain we see in our workshop attendance. Is it arthritis, rotator cuff tear, or impingement? I want to share with you exactly how this works. And from there, we can determine if the workshop is right for you. First, answer this question: what exactly is the shoulder joint? Is it one joint? To be very truthful, it is the most complex joint of human body. It is very strong, yet very flexible. It is made up of distinctive four joints. So, it is called as a joint complex. If one thing goes wrong in the joint complex, so it shows up elsewhere. In other words, all the shoulder point joint caused by mechanical issues. Think of it as an unbalanced tire or a pulley of the rope. A mechanical problem can be fixed mechanically, not through medication or injection. Will you drive a nail using a screwdriver? A healthy pain-free shoulder joint depends on many things. I'll discuss all that in the workshop. By the way, I'll choose one or two volunteers to treat at the workshop. If you want to volunteer, please call our office and let them know you want to volunteer. At the workshop, I'll share with you exactly what natural treatment looks like systematically, step by step process. I'm looking forward to see you there.